What a lovely day it is out here. Huh. Wonder what Dark Moon Pack is doing. Ugh. They just get on my nerves. Oh, that was a Dark Moon leader. But he's been dead. People say he's been dead, but he's not. I gotta see what's up. Oh my dog. Now scram, you little rascaled pup. Jeez, I'm not a pup. I'm a grown woman. And you should have no right to treat me like that. Go. Now. I wonder where I will go. Oh God, I can help her. But where is she? Wait. Fresh poodle. Hey, are you okay? I saw you crying and I heard that your leader kicked you out. No, I'm not okay, but I'm glad that you care. If you want, you can stay with me in my pack. Well, den. Really? Of course. What are friends for? Oh, thank you. Thank you. Now, to your den. Can you show me where it is? Sure, follow me. Wow, he's so hot and nice. Hey, wait for me! Here it is, home sweet home. It's a little rocky and has too many sticks, but yeah, I hope you like it. Like it? I love it. It's so many rocks and sticks. Hey, here's a little rope I can play with. It's like tug of war, and these sticks make it all crunchy and protective, and the rocks they just make it more bright. And I like this duck rock. Really? I carved it. With your teeth or your claws? Teeth. Wow, you are impressive. I like it. Oh yeah, thanks. You're making me blush. That was kind of a long walk. Since our packs are so far, I think I'm gonna just sleep on the duck rock tonight. Okay, but if it gets a little too cold, you can always sleep over here with me. Okay. Good night, Blaze. Good night, Aurora.